Sabi ko magsa-start na ako heavy sa socials, maging YouTuber o kaya maging influencer. I have everything I need, from gadgets to content plan, pero every time I try, it gets harder. Sa una masaya, I get to share the things that I like, that I want, pero habang tumatagal parang nakakatamad. Tatatlo lang naman kasi yung nanonood, mataas lang siya kung medyo kita yung balat. Ako si Alexa, struggling content creator. Ningas Kugon ang progress, and I don't know what to do. My love, social media is a brutal market. Sabi nga nila, it's not for the faint-hearted, and it's also not for those people na hindi talaga magte-take time to focus on it. Content creation is not easy. Parang taliwas sa paniniwala ng karamihan. It's not really, and it's not exactly easy to be in front of the camera. Kasi you have to know kung ano yung sasabihin mo, kung saan siya papunta. Kailangan mo mag-isip every single day kung anong magagawa mong kakaiba that will uniquely set you apart from the competing influencers na andun na sa congested. Dahil sa sobrang daming influencers sa Pilipinas, it's already a congested market. Thinking of ways on how to set yourself apart from those influencers is really not an easy task. So Alexa, the playing field that you've chosen to be your career is not really an easy market. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, uulitin ko po ulit, it's a brutal market. So my love, if you wanna start, it's gonna be rich kasi coming from me. Kasi none of us really talaga have broken yung tinatawag nilang algorithm of how to work well sa social media. Kasi if we have, then hello my love. Di sana milyon-milyon yung followers natin on YouTube and other socials. It's not like that. Kasi if that's as easy as that, or we really know how to break it, how to market ourselves, di lahat sana tayo ngayon ay may milyonan ng account. Pero it's not like that, my love. But what I do know is that, one, you have to be consistent. Hindi pwede ngayong araw na to feel mo, the next day di mo feel, or the next week hindi mo din feel, so babalik ka na lang uli next week. Kasi if you want to gain followers, if you want your followers to keep on following you, they have to have a routine with you. Kailangan maisama ka nila sa daily routine nila. Kailangan maisama ka nila sa mga daily things to check nila. And if you don't have anything to offer to them, ngayong araw na to makikita ka nila, the next few weeks hindi, they might not go back to look at your contents again. Kasi you are not consistent. So consistency, my love. Two, for you to be able to make it consistent, what I do know is that you have to do something or produce something that you like doing. Kasi if you're gonna force yourself every single day sa content na to just because feeling mo ito yung sinusundan ng tao, ito yung makagat sa tao, and yet hindi mo naman siya feel gawin, parang tatamarin ka eh. Kasi it's gonna be tasky for you eh. Kumbaga, it's gonna be work for you. It's not something that you'll enjoy. It's just any other work out there that you need pero you do not want. Magiging dragging siya for you na parang nakakapagod gawin to kasi hindi ko naman talaga gusto, ginagawa ko lang out of ganito eh. If your heart is not in it, then my love, do not do it. Kasi hindi mo siya magagawa consistently. Again, kapag walang consistency, yung followers mo will not have a routine including you in their lives. So, meron siyang mga pointers. It's not formula. Don't say it as if it's formula. Meron siyang pointers on how to do it right. Pero you don't really, it's not a guarantee that it will work. Kasi on social media platforms, my love, wala naman talagang guarantee. There's no perfect way to create a content that will immediately, almost immediately give you millions of views, millions of engagements, and millions of followers. Ang tawag namin dyan, hit and miss eh. Today you'll be relevant, tomorrow you may not be relevant. But like everything else in life, my love, if you really want to make it, you just have to keep on doing it. Yes, for sure, may mga makakaharap kang roadblocks. May mga makakaharap kang mga discouraging things that you will notice sa path na tinatahak mo. Pero just like in every profession, just like in every career, meron naman talagang ganyan eh. May mga discouraging points. Pero nasa sayo yan. If you let it in, it's your choice. If you'll embrace yung discouragement na yon, if you'll embrace yung mga discouraging words na yon, yung discouraging circumstances na yon, nasa sayo if you let it in. Now, if this is really something that you want, and this is something that you can see yourself doing on a regular basis, kasi hodang isa lang yan, kasi hodang 100 sila, kasi hodang 1,000 sila, make your performance consistent as possible. You treat one viewer just as enthusiastic as you would treat 1,000 viewers. Kasi that one can spread the word. At sabi nga nila in advertising, my love, the most effective form of advertising is the word of mouth. How one people can describe your product into another person. And that other person will convince 3 more other people to subscribe, to buy, to watch, to follow. So again, my love, 1, consistency. 2 is doing something that you actually like and you're having fun in doing. And then 3, treat one viewer just as much as you would for 1,000 viewers. Same energy, same enthusiasm, same love and appreciation. And who knows, baka one day, isa ka na sa mga Alexang influencer na makikita namin online. Pero this one, my love, again, is a tough market. A brutal, unforgiving, tough market. So if you really want to excel sa social media, you have to put everything on it. Every ounce of your attention on it. And just make sure that when you do, hindi ka lang magiging magaling sa umpisa. Every day, you have to, if not maintain, yung klase ng devotion mo on the first day, higitan mo every single day. Klaro? Klaro.